Good morning, everybody. There's May in the background getting ready, and we are all dressed up right now because today we are going out on our first Lolita meet of the new year. We are going to drive to one of our favorite tea places, Edith's, which I've definitely taken you guys there before, so we're going back again, but we're going to meet a few of our friends there, have a lovely tea. I have some things up my sleeve for while we're enjoying tea, so I'll show you guys what I have planned. And then if we're feeling brave and opulent, we might even go run around the mall for a little bit later. So let me go show you what I have planned actually. Okay, so I've been to a couple of larger community tea parties before, and I've also hosted my own, and something that I always wish that was done at these larger calm parties is that there's maybe some party games or some questions to do around the table, or maybe a raffle or something, and maybe it's just the ones that I've been to haven't had that. If your local calm tea parties are doing that stuff, please excuse me, but I just really wanted to do something fun and special for our first tea of the year, so let me show you what I've got cooked up. Okay, so first I wanted everyone that comes to the tea to get a little goodie bag. So in here I have a randomly selected tea from one of my favorite brands, Tea Forte, and there's also some cute little, they're almost like wagashi, cute little marshmallowy fruit cake snacks in here. And then this is a big raffle prize that I've put together. It's got a bunch of little snacks and goodies in it. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show up to tea early, and here's the winner card I'm gonna draw, and I'm gonna put one of these little cards under everyone's plate. And so when the time is right, I'll ask everyone to look under the plate like I'm Oprah or something, and then I'll pull the winning number out of here, and whoever wins gets this cute little prize bag. And y'all, of course, here is what it looks like outside. It is dreary, it is drizzly, it is rainy, so I decided to put together a cute rainy day themed Lolita cord. Let me show you. Alright, so here is the fit check for today, you guys. I've got on Misty Sky with rain boots. I never thought that I'd be wearing Lolita with rain boots, but today's the day. I've got on my socks that go with Sugary Carnival. This cardigan that I basically live in is from Lazy Oaf. And then I've got some cute little bows in my hair, and I've got the matching head bow for this dress clipped on the back of the little dangle of my beret, but I am really loving this outfit. It's a little experimental, maybe a little different. I hope you guys like it. So here is May's fit check. First time wearing this incredible dream dress. Now this is the actual print. It's not a fake, right?
Yeah, no, this is Iron Gate.
This is the true opulence. It's so beautiful.
It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, which is kind of cool.
The lace. Let me get the back of your beret because it's so cute. Ugh. A dream, an angel, a vision. And then there's Oliver fit check. Oh, he's feeling shy. Or he just wants to
mum my headdress.
Mum the accessories.
That's okay. You can do that, son. I love you. You can do whatever you want.
Snack time. Well, guys, it's about that time for us to head out the door. One of our friends, Mary, actually ended up not being able to make it this morning, so I think we're gonna go and drop off her little goodie bag to her so she can still feel included, and then we will arrive at the venue and I'll set everything up and we'll wait for everyone to arrive. Let's go. So I'm going to read the winning card, and then when I show the number, everyone can open their envelopes and we will see who has won. So the winning number is 5. Everyone open 5. Oh my god, Ashley wins! Okay, here's your goodie bag. I think this is literally the bag that you used for my birthday present.
Dude, I love doing that. It's like, here you go. We're just gonna recycle this bag forever, dude.
Congratulations. All right, you guys, tea was a success. It was a super fun time. And at the end, the manager of the tea actually like came over to us and he was like, you guys come in here so often and you dress so beautifully. Next time you come to tea, like contact me and I'll put together something really cool and special for you guys. So hopefully I'll have like a cool video about our special edition tea at Edith's in the future. But right now we are parked at the mall and I'm about to pop my mask on. We're gonna walk around the mall a little bit, just be among people, be seen. And
be observed.
yeah, hopefully that goes well for us, but I'll bring you guys with me. Yeah, so the angle here is a little bit scuffed, but I'm sorry, I cannot be bothered to fix it. I am so tired. So, okay, well, if you just experienced a visual earthquake, my cat just jumped up on the table where I have you guys sitting. Anyway, so the cute little store that I was walking around in at the mall is called ... Bang, and I don't know if they have other locations anywhere, but if you are in the Dallas area, one of the malls in the area does have this store, so definitely look into it. Their stuff is so cute, and the people that work there are so nice. They were really kind to let me film, and everyone there was just so sweet to us, and so I walked out with a few super cute things. Okay, so first, I definitely had to take this home with me. I mean, do I need to say more? Yeah, so this little guy is going to stay at my desk with me so that I can give him a little when my video doesn't export properly. Ooh, next I got a cute little keychain for my house keys and stuff. It's got this little like ice cream cone on it with a little strawberry inside. So I already do have like a keychain like this, and it has a little cinema roll on it. And don't ask me how, but it was sitting next to a hot glue gun I was using, and the hot glue gun fell over, and the like metal tip of the glue gun that gets super hot like touched the little cinema roll guy and just like fully melted his face off. So I've been walking around with like a horrifying Phantom of the Opera-esque cinema roll on my keys, and I thought it was time to get a new something to bring my keys around on. Up next, I got these two adorable little cinema roll pins. He's my fave, and I thought this would be so cute on my fruity lemon dress because of the little lemons here. Oh, I can't wait. And then finally, I got this. Let me dig into it. But so this is like You know, it's like your classic like maxi pad Lolita headdress. But the main reason I wanted it was for these, okay, this bow is a little scuffed, I'll fix that. But I wanted it for these cute little ears. I thought that these would be so fun to use for Lolita. Oh, and they are detachable anyway. Okay, so that's what I'm definitely gonna do with this. I really just wanna gut it for the ears. I don't think I necessarily have anything that this, you know, ecru and pink headdress would go with, but I'll see if I can make it work. Also came with just a random headband, so thank you for that as well. All right, guys, well, I am going to take off my outfit here and get into some comfy pajamas, probably slam a Red Bull so I can stay awake for the rest of the evening, because it's Saturday after all. I've already done so much today, and I've got a fun party I'm going to later tonight, so wish me luck on staying awake for that. But I hope you enjoyed coming out and hanging out with me today and some of my local Lolita friends. I would love to make more videos of us just going out and getting up to stuff that friends do and kind of just, I don't know, normalizing doing things in Lolita that you would do on any kind of day. So I hope you look forward to more vlogs like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!